Hi there, this is Virendra, student of Madhav Ratna Padmabhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and this is one of the best maintained tennis court in the city of Hyderabad, Telangana state, India, clay court, because Gurudev prefers to play on clay because this is not that harsh and damaging to the tissues of the knees, ankles and all the ligaments can be protected here. This is very well maintained. Dozens of people water it, roll it and keep it in best form. It can be compared to any best court in this world, maybe Roland Garros. And you may be knowing GVK House and this Taj Kisnath, Taj Deccan, all are just stone throwing distance from each other. The towering hotel is Taj Kisnath. This Virendra for decades had been playing in this tennis court. A lot of battles we fought in doubles. My partner used to be the late Dr. Gangadhar Reddy, son of late K. Brahmananda Reddy, and my opponent, my Gurudev Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and his perennial permanent partner, Miss Rama, daughter of Mr. Ramchandra Rao. Now it has become little bit history for me because I stay in Bibi Nagar, which is near about 47 kilometers from here, and Honorable G.V. Krishna Reddy sir has given some assignment in GVK which is Kompuli, Medchal. It is also something like 25 kilometers. So I come very rarely just to have darshanam of my beloved gurus and other tennis partners and friends. But this has a lot of memory, lot of enthusiasm and energetic moments which we have spent together. There are so many great players here. First being our Gurudev Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. Second, his class friend, Brijwara Krishna Reddy. Madhurul Haq Sahab, IGP, retired. They are the senior most members. And we have also Mr. Santosh Reddy, a Cambridge graduate and one of the best cricket player in Hyderabad, Mr. Santosh Reddy. Of course, a young man, Mr. Sandeep Reddy, the son of Mr. Subbaram Reddy. He is also a regular member of this tennis club. One of the veteran and wonderful coach and tennis player, Mr. Ilyas Ghosh, is also a permanent member of this GVK tennis club. So they are all wonderful persons, kind, compassionate, generous, all loving each other, all disciplined, because those who are very disciplined can only be a part and parcel of this GVK tennis club. There is a history behind his starting his own tennis court in his own GVK house, Banjara Road number 1. He used to play tennis in Secunderabad club, and there used to be a lot of din and whistle noise. People used to quarrel and fight who will play the first. So he talked to all the members, those who are now here in this tennis club, and they all agreed to play with him. Everything is free here. Balls, campus, and all the ball boys. Simply players have to sneak into this tennis court and put their best. Once they have played a set, and before that, here is the place where Taj Krishna will supply them breakfast, tea, coffee, and Honorable Gurudev will bring something special for his friends. Right here, I spent decades. It is just like our family. Heaven on earth, all around greeneries, and here, right here, a palace. One of the best architecturally designed, wonderful house where my Gurudev stay with our beloved Honorable Madam Indira Madam, Indira Reddy Garu. Dear friends, these are golden moments in our life. The company of such great people are really the outcome of our discipline, honest, sincere, purity of our thoughts. Otherwise it is very difficult. It is governed by the absolute laws of cause and effect. It is undeviating. We have earned it to be here in this campus. Otherwise it's very difficult for anybody to come in this campus. And my personal relationship with my Gurudev is really very, very unparalleled. He has sponsored my daughter when she was just 19-year-old girl, Vishnu Vishesh, but bad luck struck her. She broke her ACL twice, being surgery, could not recover from that pathetic injury, still struggling, not much achievements, but she has not quit, she has not given up. The struggle is on. Keep on keeping on, persistently, persevering, persisting, striving, seeking and finding all the different ways and means to discover herself as the finest tennis player from India. Dear friends, I am very much thankful to the Manav Ratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy for accommodating me in his house just as a member of his family. Very few people have this accessibility. I moved every corner of the house, here and there, and all are so beautiful. When I appreciate, Honorable Gurudev says, Virendra, it is just for you. It is just for you. What a great thing. And here is our junior Krishna sir, Mr. Krishna Reddy, his grandson, the most successful son of our sister Salini Bhupal Madam, Porsche car, you can see from a distance, and Range Rover Sports, and everything is here, dear friends. And here is one of the beautiful places in the heart of the city. You will feel that you have come to a resort. It is not just a house, but it is housing a mini forest, a beautiful garden with flowers all around, all the beautiful things which can really give us immense pleasure. I really thank you, viewers. If you want to be in the company of such great men like Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, he is deserving, because these steps are very difficult to climb. You have to be honest, you have to be sincere, you have to be very hardworking. You have to be absolutely following the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, because it is very, very difficult to access such great man. He has the wisdom and intelligence to understand everyone microscopically, cells by cells. Wonderful. And I feel very fortunate and blessed. Today I am working for GVK MRI because my Gurudev has given me some assignment. I motivate people, doctors and nurses, to really commit themselves and dedicate themselves on ask not what GVK MRI can do for them, but what they can do for the GVK MRI. That is my prime role. I focus on their physical, mental, spiritual, emotional balance. And thanks to my commitment and the environment provided to me there, I am really feeling myself very enlightened. Thank you, viewers. This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. I call myself Fakir because I follow Buddhism, Buddha, and Yogi means a man with commitment, dedication, devotion and passion to excel the highest of the heights with a lot of passion and determination, courage, conviction. Thank you. I love you and respect you. Thank you very much for watching this.